My dear students, welcome back again in our mathematics class. Hope all of you are well at home and you are enjoying the puja vacation, and now it's time for study. We will again start the study. So today we are going to start the new chapter of Postmate. This is chapter number 14, rupees and paise. Dear students, can you tell me from this image what we are going to discuss? That we are going to discuss that when we go for a shopping, or when we purchase anything or we buy anything from a shop, what is required? Means what? So I think you have got your answer, that it is money. So when we purchase anything from a shop, we need money. So what is money? Money means in our daily life, when we purchase any item from a shop, we pay money to the shopkeeper. See, the given picture is also declaring that the children are buying ice cream from the shopkeeper and they are paying money. So money, we use money in our daily life, and we work to earn money. So money is very important part of our life. We need to know that what is currency. Currency is the system of money used in country. Currency is the system of money used in country. In India, coins and notes are used as money. Now, the Indian rupee is the currency of India, and the symbol you can see easily, the sign I have given here, and the code is INR. Now we are going to discuss few different countries' currency and their symbol. So here I have given 4 countries and country name and their currency and their currency symbol. So just learn it. You need to learn it properly. Suppose first country is USA here. That is, the currency name is dollar, and the symbol you can easily see this, Bangladesh taka, and you can easily see Japan Japanese yen, Eurozone euro. So you need to learn these symbols as well as the name of the currency. So learn it properly. And you know India's currency also. In India, coins and notes are used as money. So here I have shown you some coins image so that you can understand that what are the coins, like 10 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, and these are the paises coin. Just check it. Also I have given here few notes example, like 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 100 rupee note, 500 rupee note, 200 rupee note, 2000 rupees note. So and you can easily get the image of this notes in Google also. If you want to check it, you can check it and learn it. We are going to learn how to express money in words. Suppose here I have given you the image, like 1 10 rupee note and 1 25 paise coin. So we can see this, we can write it like in figures. Rupees means RS, 10.25. So in words we can say that 10 rupees and 25 paise only. So this way we are going to learn how to express money in figures. Like when it will be in words, how to express it in figures. See, rupees 50 and 75 paise, we can write it like this way. RS, rupees is for RS dot 50.75. Or for 67 paise, we can write rupees 0.67. Here we use rupee, RE for rupee, and RS for rupees, and P for paise. The symbol dot, like 0.67, here as there is no rupees, I have not here as there is no rupees, that's why I have put 0. So now we will learn that what is the purpose of point. That point, the symbol dot or point separate the rupees and paise. The left of the dot shows rupees, The right shows the paise. So in this way we can easily express money in figures. In this picture, in each box, each small box, I have put all the 1 paise coin, which is not used in these days, but in old days we have used this. But why I have written this? Because here only there is 100 cell, and 100 each cell there is 1 rupee 1 paise coins. So 100 paise coins are there. So and in this left side I have put 1 rupee coin. So that means 1 rupee coin equals to 100 paise coin. That means 100 paise coin makes 1 rupee coin. Relationship between rupees and paise. See, 1 rupee, already we have learned that 1 rupee means 100 paise. So the rule is to convert rupees into paise. We will learn the rule of conversion. See, to convert rupees into paise, we need to multiply the amount of rupees by 100. Now I will give you few examples of conversion of rupees and paise. Means here we will convert all rupees to paise and rupees and paise to paise. So the rule is we need to multiply the rupees amount by 100. Okay. So first example, just see. First example is convert 5 rupees into paise. So 5 rupees equals to 5 into 100 paise equals to 500 paise. See, the unit is very important here. Now let us check the another example. Convert 12 rupees 50 paise into paise. See the solution. 12 rupees 50 paise equals to 12 rupees plus 50 paise. First we will separate it. Then we have to convert the rupees portion because we want to convert it in paise. So 12 into 100 paise plus 50 paise. Next we have to add it because we get the same unit, means paise. So we will get 1250 paise. Let us discuss our last example. Convert rupees 10.50 into paise, 10.50 paise into paise. See how to do it. Just I have used here the symbol of rupees. So rupees 10 into 100 paise plus 50 paise equals to 1050 paise. This is the answer. So in this way you can easily solve the problem. So here we have learned the conversion from rupees paise. This is your homework. You will get it in school websites also, and you have to do it, and you have to give the answer. You can give the answer in the comment section. You have to complete it in your school copy. You can complete it in a school copy, or you can give the answer in the comment section also. So thank you. Till then, bye bye.